In the previous video, we talked about SOGA and also learned about a relevant case. In today's video, we will talk about another relevant case law related to SOGA to further enhance your knowledge.
So today we are going to discuss about the case of Bailey versus Taylor 1967.
This car looks perfect, just what I need for my adventure.
It's a beauty, isn't it? It's a second-hand car, but it's well maintained. You won't find a better ride than this.
Sounds good, I want to buy it now. This car won't budge an inch without making strange noises. It's not what I expected at all.
Sorry, but you bought it as you saw it. Can't expect perfection from a used vehicle, can you?
I will see you in court.
The issue in Bailey vs. Taylor 1967 revolves around whether the car sold by Mr. Taylor to Mr. Bailey satisfied the implied condition of satisfactory quality under the Sales of Goods Act. Under the Sales of Goods Act, an implied condition exists that goods sold must be of satisfactory quality. This legal principle entails that goods should meet a certain standard, reasonably fit for their intended purpose, and be devoid of defects that substantially diminish their value or utility. In Bailey vs. Taylor 1967, Mr. Bailey purchased a second-hand car from Mr. Taylor. However, shortly after the purchase, the car began experiencing mechanical issues, particularly with its gearbox, rendering it unsuitable for driving. Mr. Bailey contended that the car did not meet the implied condition of satisfactory quality as situated by the Sales of Goods Act due to the significant defects it exhibited. The application of the law in this case involved assessing whether the defects in the car were substantial enough to breach the implied condition of satisfactory quality under the Act. The court ultimately ruled in favor of Mr. Bailey, the buyer, determining that the car sold by Mr. Taylor did not meet the implied condition of satisfactory quality. The defects, particularly those related to the gearbox, were deemed significant enough to impair the car's value and utility, rendering it unfit for its ordinary purpose. This conclusion highlights the significance of the Sales of Goods Act in protecting consumers' rights and ensuring that the sellers uphold certain standards when selling goods. The case serves as a precedent emphasizing the responsibilities of sellers to provide goods that meet the expectations of reasonable consumers and the rights of buyers to seek recourse in case of substandard or defective purchases.